Welcome to the Quantum Number Interactive Calculator tutorial. This powerful tool helps engineers and physicists validate quantum states and calculate essential quantum mechanical properties for electron configurations in atoms. Whether you're designing semiconductor materials or analyzing spectroscopic data, this calculator ensures your quantum numbers follow the fundamental rules of quantum mechanics. Let's explore the interface. At the top, you'll find the calculation mode dropdown with 6 options. Validate quantum numbers, calculate energy level, calculate angular momentum, calculate magnetic quantum properties, calculate orbital degeneracy, and determine spectroscopic notation. For this demonstration, we'll select Calculate Energy Level. The input fields vary by mode. In Calculate Energy Level mode, you'll see principal quantum number n, accepting values 1, 2, 3, and higher, and atomic number Z for elements like 1 for hydrogen or 2 for helium. Other modes require different inputs, like azimuthal quantum number L, ranging from 0 to n-1, magnetic quantum number m sub L, from negative L to positive L, and spin quantum number m sub S, as either plus 1/2 spin up or minus 1/2 spin down. Let's work through an example. We'll calculate the energy level for an electron in lithium. Select Calculate Energy Level mode. Enter 2 for principal quantum number n, since we're examining the second shell. Enter 3 for atomic number Z, representing lithium. Click Calculate. The result shows negative 30.6 electron volts, representing the binding energy of that electron. This energy value tells us how tightly bound the electron is to the nucleus, crucial for understanding ionization potentials and chemical reactivity. Remember, azimuthal quantum number L can never exceed n-1, a common error in calculations. Find the link in the description below. Thank you for watching this engineering guide.